Hey, OJ here. It's coffee time, but it's always coffee time. But really, it's cooking time. So, last week we did a trial run on this, and it was amazing. To die for, as I say. Anyways, we're going to do some stuffed peppers, and I'm just going to slip over to the stove and do some sauteing. Pretty fancy, eh? And then I'm going to come back here and we're going to mix all this stuff up and stuff some peppers. So I've got about a quarter of a cup of butter here, and about a half cup of celery, half cup onions, and I love garlic, so I got about a quarter cup of garlic. I love garlic. Did I mention I love garlic? Anyways, we're going to mix this all in here. Of course, you guys can put more or less or whatever in here. More is always better. So that's about all the sauteing I'm going to do. I'm going to take it over to the counter there, and we're going to throw everything together. So now we're just going to mix everything up. I've got two cups of cooked rice. We're going to dump in here, and I have 2 cups of hamburger. I'm getting tongue-tied today. And my saute stuff here I'm going to put in. And we'll mix her up. Get this all mixed up here, and then we'll add some spices in. So we'll get her all commingled. So we're going to put some spice in, but you know me, I don't measure a whole lot. So I have 1 tablespoon of allspice, a little less than a tablespoon, sorry. Anyways, you can just kind of season by taste. I just put a little bit of seasoning salt in there, and then roughly a couple teaspoons of lemon, maybe a little bit. Yeah, that's about 2. And then I just mix it up. That was about 2 tablespoons. Probably really big tablespoons. But I always get my teaspoons and tablespoons all mixed up. So now we're ready to stuff these peppers. So now I'm going to get these things all stuffed here. And some people cook them with just like this, but we like to put them with the caps on. You can do whatever you like. There, got that baby all capped. So we've got 6 peppers here, and I'm really hoping we have enough for all of them to fill up and stay. And the last one, and yes, I did have enough. Let's a little more on that one. Maybe we'll top a few of these other ones up, and then we're ready for the oven. So there you go. We've got them all stuffed. Anyways, I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in, because the water will come out of these peppers, and then we're gonna cover them with tin foil, and we put them in for about 45 minutes at 350. And if you like them a little crunchy, they might be a little less, but about 45 minutes are just about right. And if they're not, you like them softer, leave them a little bit longer. And voila, there you go. We put them in for an hour. We thought 45 minutes. We checked them and they're a little crunchy, so we wanted them a little softer. So another 15 minutes, and now for the taste test. Now I think a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, real lemon, or if you don't like it, tasty smasty. Anyways, hope you enjoyed, and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now. I'm gonna get eaten here. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Good stuff. Mm. Mm. Mm.